Hello students, welcome to Science Fact Educations. In this problem, we have to find out the density of the FCC system. But the problem is that in this problem, it is given that 100 gram of this element contains 12 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms. As we know that density is equal to formula unit into molar mass divided by Avogadro number into volume of the system. So volume of the system, that is equal to A cube, because this is a cubical system. Now the question is that how to find out the molar mass, because in the question it is not given directly. But there are some informations, that is here number of atoms and mass that is given. So on the basis of that value, we can calculate first molar mass. Since number of moles is equal to given number of atoms, given number of atoms divided by Avogadro number. That is Na. Given number of atoms, it is equal to 12 into 10 raised to the power 23, and Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. This will give 1.9926 mole. We can write this only 2, that is 2 mole. Since we know that number of moles is also equal to given weight, that is weight divided by molar mass. And in density formula, we need the value of molar mass. So on the basis of this formula, we can calculate the molar mass, because weight of the element is given, that is nothing but 100 gram, and number of moles we have already calculated, that is 2 mole. So molar mass will be equal to weight divided by moles. So weight is 100 gram and mole is 2 mole. Finally, we will get 50 gram per mole. Since all the option is given gram per centimeter cube. Okay, but the edge length in this case it is given 200 picometer. So before going in formula, we have to convert edge length value, or we have to convert edge length unit into centimeter. So edge length is 200 picometer, and 200 picometer, this can be written as 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 centimeter, because 1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 12 meter, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. And finally, because of this 20, we will get finally 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 centimeter. So this is the edge length. Now density is equal to formula unit, and for FCC system formula unit is equal to 4 into molar mass, which is equal to 50 gram per mole, divided by Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 per mole, into edge length. So 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 cube. We will get finally 41.51 gram per centimeter cube. So the correct answer should be A. Thank you for watching this video.